This is Sawara in Japan, a town once flourishing with water transport. Tokyo was called Edo until the mid-19th century. Towns that retain the charm of the Edo period, such as Sawara, are called Ko-Edo, meaning Little Edo. Nostalgic houses lined up along the riverside. Many people still live there today. A town where history and modern life beautifully harmonize. That is Sawara. Near the boarding area for the waterway tours is the house where Tadadaka Ino once lived, the surveyor who revealed the accurate shape of Japan's land. You can learn about the remarkable achievements of Tadadaka Ino and experience the lifestyle of people from his time. Many elegant modern buildings remain here, some of which are still in active use today. Here lies the mouth of the To-Ne River. A river rich in water flows peacefully. In this blessed location, the town of Sawara flourished. From Sawara, goods could travel upstream along the To-Ne River, passing through canals to reach the city of Edo. Rice, soy sauce, textiles, and other local products from various regions gathered in Sawara and were transported to Edo via the To-Ne River. Today, it is also a popular spot for activities such as jet skiing and fishing. This is Katori Shrine, located on the hills near Sawara. The mystical approach to a historic shrine. Visitors coming to pray pass through the vivid vermilion gate. In the sacred main hall, prayers are being offered today as well. Katori Shrine was founded in the 8th century. The towering cedar trees surrounding the main hall speak of its rich history.